Isolations are pretty self-explanatory. It's when you just move one part of your body at a time. It can be more than one part of the body at a time, but generally it's when we just move only one part of the body at a time. And some isolations are pretty straightforward. For example, shoulders, very easy. Hands, very easy. Head, very easy to isolate. There's some specific isolations that take a bit more practice and there's a bit more technique to it. So in this video, I'm gonna go through the elbow isolation, which looks like this. Boom. Just this one. So instead of moving your elbow like this way, because that's more of a natural way you would isolate or move your elbow if you haven't been trained in dancing. But in dancing, there is a very specific way, and it's more of a elbow roll than a elbow lift or anything. What happens is your elbow rolls up, and I believe it's from your shoulder cuff rotation. It's this part of your arm that's rotating. So that's the basic motion of the elbow isolation. But then we have to do another technique called a fixed point. So this is why I'm breaking it down, because it's a little bit more than just like lifting it up and putting it back down. Elbow isolation, we have to imagine our hand is stuck on a table and it's not going to rotate or lift or move with the elbow. Because this is what would happen if I'm doing a elbow rotation and I'm not moving my hand at all. This is what would happen. Show you on the other side. So what we want to do is we want to fixed point our hand. Imagine it's on a tabletop. And this elbow can still roll up while this hand stays relatively still. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to stay roughly in the same place. Up and down. Now, while you just practice that, can you just practice that while I talk? There is another technique called a fixed point, and it's where one part of your body stays in a fixed position. No matter what transformation happens, it stays in that fixed point. In the elbow isolation case, the fixed point is the hand, and it needs to stay in the same place. So can you just put your hand here, put one hand under, and then just practice rolling your elbow up. You don't need to go really, really far. Like you don't need to stretch the other parts of your body so you can get there. Just lift it up however far you can. If it's just that far, that's fine. And then just practice lifting it, pushing it back down. So lift it up, push it down. Try the other side. This hand, one hand underneath, lift it up, push it down. Up and down. Okay, so then once you feel comfortable with that, you can try and take the hand away and you can try and do it again. But the main thing that I want to talk about, once you are starting to understand this motion, there's another type of mechanic that we have to include. As your elbow goes up, I want you to push down with your wrist at the same time. So as my elbow goes up, I'm going to push down at the same time, and that's going to help it stay in its position. Because as the elbow goes up, the hand goes with it. And so what you're doing when you're pushing the hand down, I should make it clear, I'm pushing from the wrist down, not my hand down, but the wrist. I'm actually lifting my hand up if I think about it. So the elbow goes up, and I'm pushing the wrist down, which means my hand's kind of slightly going up a little bit. It's going up so it stays in this flat position. Because if it didn't go up, it would go like this. So you're pushing against it. Wrist pushing down, hand pushing up as the elbow comes up. And that's how you get a nice elbow isolation. Try it on this side. So this wrist, we're pushing down, and the hand will go up as the elbow comes up. Nice. Now, if you are still struggling to get this coordination with the fixed point and pushing down as you go up, because you're kind of like pushing and pulling two different ways. Your elbow's going up, but your wrist is pushing down, kind of thing. And with fixed points, it's always a push and pull motion, and it's always got to be like equal and opposite. So if I equally push my wrist down, as equal as I'm pulling my elbow up, that fixed point will stay very illusional. Because fixed points create illusions. So if the audience had no idea what was going on here, they'd be like, whoa, how is his hand staying in that one spot while his arm is moving up? So there's a bit of an illusion. So it's not just like a quick, easy isolation. There's also a bit of illusions in there too. That's the elbow isolation. Well, if you've got it, I'm just gonna show you like 2 things that you can practice to get your elbow isolations better, and so you can apply them in your freestyle or your choreography or anything. But if you're not ready to try and learn a little movement with this elbow isolation, just keep rewinding the video, just keep practicing like that, and keep slowly just trying to understand the mechanics, where every body part's going. Elbow up, wrist down. And just go through that, do it do it like 20 times, like just up and down, and think about where your wrist is. Try to take your hand away. But if you lose it, just put it back and keep practicing. Cool? Next thing, real quick, while we're here, I just want you to try do 1 elbow isolation at a time. So it's gonna go 1, 1, 2, 2. Also 1, 2, 1, 2. And again, 1, 2, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice. When you do it, especially if you're watching yourself and if you're like critiquing yourself, even myself, I'm always looking out for how well I can fix point this part of my hand. Sometimes on my left arm, it's a little bit worse than my right side, and it's kind of pretty natural, but we got to practice both sides, obviously. And yeah, so this is something that even I'm still practicing. I'm always looking out for it, trying to get a clean elbow isolation. What you want to look out for is the hand moving with it. You want that hand to be nice and still. And for it to be still, you need to push and pull, equal and opposite. The wrist has to push down just as much as the elbow pushes up. Cool? So that's exercise 1, just 1, 1, 2, 2. See how fast you can go. You could even break it into 2s, like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool. And then last little exercise for you. This is in my isolation body map. What we do is we rest in the middle. Also, I want to say one last thing. I should have said this at the start, sorry. Make sure when you're doing the elbow isolation, your arms aren't straight. Your arms aren't straight. They need to be a little bent. They need to have a little bend in them. The reason why is so you have the mobility to lift your elbow up and keep your hands in the same place. Whereas if my hands were fully straight and I tried to elbow isolate, my arms would have to move completely for my hand to stay straight. I'd have to pull my hand back a little bit. So that's why we keep them slightly bent so the hand can really stay exactly where it is. Okay, so rest in the middle. Both elbows are gonna go up and then down to the middle. And then they go down a little extra, down and then up to the middle. And then your left elbow goes up and right elbow goes down, back to the middle. And then, sorry, it doesn't matter whichever way. And then my right elbow goes up, my left elbow goes down. It can be the opposite way if you're practicing, sorry. And reset. Okay. Try that one more time. I won't worry about lefts and rights. I'll just say this way or this way. Because we're being mirrored. You're mirroring me, so you go the opposite way to me. Okay, ready? Here we go. Elbows up, elbows middle, elbows down, elbows middle, to the side, 1 up, 1 down, back to the middle, to the other side, and back to the middle, and shake it out. Give it a little stretch. Oh, sorry, I just hit the mic really bad then. Just a little stretch. Shake it out. One more time. Ready? We go. Up, middle, down, middle, side, middle, side, middle. Shake it out. One last time, okay? One last time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go up, middle, down, middle, side, middle, side, middle. Shake it out. Awesome. Once you practice that so many times, just challenge yourself, see how fast you can go and how clean you can make it. Maybe you could try combo, go like up, down, up and side. See all the different elbow isolation patterns you can make. Maybe you could bounce it from one side to the other. Anything you want. There's your elbow isolations, fam. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you've learned a little bit. Hope that's helped you out. And if you got any questions, hit me up. I'll try to reply ASAP. Thank you. Peace and love. Have a good one. Catch us next time.